morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 0.4% in the last session. The ADX is sinking and is currently negative. Bitcoin has added 5.2% in the last 3 sessions. The stochastic RSI shifted sharply into the negative zone. The price of gold has added 2.3% in the last 2 sessions. Stochastic has transitioned into the positive area. The price of crude oil has fallen 1.8% in the last session. The RSI has moved sharply into the negative area.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
The U.S. Gulf of Mexico offshore oil output was down by 92% of the region's daily production as offshore wells remain closed after Hurricane Delta tore through the area. Economists are downbeat on the prospects for Britain as the COVID second wave escalates, furlough comes to an end, and the Brexit deadline looms. The Aussie ended the week in positive territory, strengthened by higher commodity prices, while the Kiwi lagged behind on aggressive monetary easing bets.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The Japanese machine tool orders will be released at 600 GMT, the U.S. 3-month bill auction at 1330 GMT, the U.S. 6-month bill auction at 1330 GMT. The New Zealand's electronic card retail sales at 1945 GMT, the UK BRC like-for-like retail sales at 2101 GMT, and the Japanese M3 money supply at 2150 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.